Good morning, sir. This is P. Varkumar from the Department of ECA. The subject name is Electric Circuit Analysis and subject code is 23ECE 404. My roll number is 234G1A0416 and the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. Today my topic is current sent feedback. Current sent feedback. Introduction to current sent feedback. Current sent feedback is a technique used in electric circuit design for improving amplifier performance. It involves feedback a protein of the output current to the input to stabilize gain and engage linearity. This method is commonly used in operational amplifiers and other amplifier circuits. Basic concept of shunt feedback. Shunt feedback refers to process of connecting feedback in a parallel with the load. It contrasts with series feedback with concept feedback in series with the load. The main goal is to reduce diode rate and improve bandwidth. How current sent feedback works. Current sent feedback takes fraction of output's current and return into the input terminal. This feedback currents affects the input voltage, resulting in a more stable and controlled gain. The feedback loops alterates the input impedance and can improve overall circuit performance. Advantages of the sent feedback. It provides better linearity, reducing harmonic distortion in amplifier circuits. The technique engages bandwidth by decreasing the gain at higher frequencies. It also improves the input impedance with the beneficial in many applications. And this is the sent feedback amplifier circuits. Original feedback amplifier and modify amplifier loading effects without effects. This is the first figure shows the with feedback and second figure shows the without feedback. Disadvantage of current sent feedback. One major disadvantage is the potential for increased noise due to feedback paths. It may also introduce phase shifts that can lead to stability issue in certain configurations. Additionally, designing circuit with current sent feedback can be more complex than with other modes. And this is the figure of the current sent feedback disadvantages. Applications for current sent feedback. This technique is widely used in audio amplifiers to enhance sound quality. It is also found in instrumentation amplifiers for precise signal processing. Current sent feedback is utilized in power amplifiers for better efficiency and performance. Comparing current sent feedback with voltage feedback. Current sent feedback is primarily influence current gain, while voltage feedback affects voltage gain. Voltage feedback typically has lower input impedance compared to current sent feedback. Each method has unique advantages that make them stable for different applications. Design consideration. Designers should carefully consider feedback network components to minimize noise and distortion. The select of feedback restores can significantly affect the gain and bandwidth of the circuit. Thermal stability and the impact of temperature variations on component values must also addressed. Example circuit. A basic example of circuit sent feedback can be seen in the operational amplifier configured with feedback resistors. The feedback loop is often implemented using resistors and capacitors to shape the frequency response. Analyze the circuit can provide insights into gain stability and performance improvements. Future trends are in current sent feedback. Advantages in semiconductor technologies may lead to new feedback design that engage performance. There is ongoing research into integrating current sent feedback in mixed signal applications. Future application may include smart electronics where adaptive feedback mechanisms improve efficiency. Reference Smith J. 2020. Feedback Amplifier Design Electronics Journal. DOE 2021. The Science of Circuit Feedback Circuit Theory Revenues. Brown L. 2022. Operational Amplifiers Theory and Design Engineering Process. Feel free to modify, expand on any slides are needed. Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.